Hello everyone, welcome to 60 Thoughts. Today topic is how to define regular graph and complete graph in discrete mathematics. So let us see regular graph definition. So what is a regular graph definition? A graph in which every vertex has the same degree is called a regular graph, which is nothing but if we consider any one graph, so all vertex having degrees is same, then it is called regular graph. Okay, let us consider some examples of regular graph. So first example, we consider two vertex with one edge. So what is degree of one? How to find degree of a particular vertex? That is nothing but number of edges connected to a particular vertex. So what is degree of one? Degree of one is one. What is degree of two? Is also one. So therefore this is called one regular graph. Okay, so degree is one, so we consider one regular graph. Next example, we consider three vertices and three different edges, u to v, u to w, v to w. So what is degree of u? Degree of u having degree is 2. What is degree of a vertex v? Degree 2. What is degree of a vertex w? Degree is 2. How to write degree? Degree is nothing but number of edges connected to a particular vertex is called a degree of a vertex. So here each all vertex having same number of degree, which is nothing but degree is 2. Therefore this is called two regular graph. Okay, so next one we consider four different vertex with some different edges. Okay, you see what is degree of a vertex having three edges are there, so degree is 3. Degree of a vertex b also 3. Degree of a vertex d also having three edges, therefore degree is 3. Degree of vertex c also degree is 3. Therefore all the vertex having what? Same number of degree. Therefore this is called a three regular graph. Okay, so let us see how to define complete graph. So complete graph is nothing but there is an edge between every pair of vertices is called complete graph. Okay, let us see mathematical definition. A simple graph that contains exactly one edge between each pair of distinct vertices, which is nothing but there is an edge between every pair of vertices. Okay, that is called complete graph, and also it is called Krotowski graph. Okay, that is called Kn graph. Okay, so let us see complete graph examples. So what is K1? K1 is nothing but this is one vertices. Okay, general term is Kn, n value is 1. So n is called what? Vertices. So we consider only one vertex. So we are unable to draw the edge. Okay, so K1 is called only you get a vertex only. Next we draw the K2 graph. K2 graph means we consider two different vertices. We have to draw the edge between every pair of vertices. Okay, here two vertices are there. What is your pair? 1 comma 2. So only one edge is there. So this is called a K2 graph. Next we draw the K3 graph. So K3 means we consider three different vertices u, v, w. We have to draw the edge between every pair of vertices. That is called complete graph, right? So uv, one pair. So we draw one edge between uv. Similarly uw, another pair. So we draw one edge between uw. Similarly vw also one pair. So we draw the edge between vw. So here you see there is an edge between every pair of vertices. That is called complete graph. Okay, this is called K3 graph. Okay, let us see one more example, K4. K4 means we consider four different vertices. So we have to draw the edge between every pair of vertices. First one, A to B, one pair is there. So we draw the edge between A to B. Next B to D, one pair. So we draw the edge between B to D. Another pair is what? C to D. Okay. Next pair is C to A. Okay. And also you see C to B also one pair. A to D also one pair. Okay. So we draw the edge between A to D. One more pair is what? B to C. One more pair is there. Here you see there is an edge between every pair of vertices. Okay. So this is called what? K4 graph. Okay. So using this graph I am going to define a general result. Okay. Let us consider if n vertices of the graph, then every vertex having n minus 1 edges. Okay, you see K1, how many what is n value? N value is 1. How many edges you get? N minus 1. N value is 1, 1 minus 1, 0. So 0 edge. K2. K2, how many vertex? Two vertex are there. Each vertex having how many edges? N minus 1 edges. N value is 2. So 2 minus 1 are 2. So each vertex having 1 edge. K3. N value is 3. So how many edges are there? N minus 1 edge having each vertex. So each vertex having 2, 2, 2. N value is 3 na 3 minus 1 equal to 2. Next one K4. 4 vertices are there. Each vertex having how many edges? N minus 1 edges. N value is 4. So 4 minus 1 are 3 edges. You see each vertex having 3 edges. Okay. So I hope you are enjoying this session. Thank you.